Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve word problems related to addition and subtraction. But before starting with this video, let me tell you that we have made videos on every chapter of class 3, 4 and 5 mathematics. We also have interesting worksheets and quizzes on each chapter. You can find them on our channel Learning Notebook. Also, you can see a list of all such videos on our website. The link to our website is below in the description box. First word problem is, there were 57,800 packets of biscuits in a supermarket. 9,746 packets were sold in the next 3 days. How many packets of biscuits were left in the supermarket? So here students, we are given with certain number of packets of biscuits. And then we are told that certain number of packets were sold. So we have to find out number of packets of biscuits left. So it is a clear case of subtraction. Students, for any word problem, first of all we write statements. So let's write the statements. Total packets of biscuits equals to 57800. Number of packets sold equals to 9746. So to find packets left in the supermarket, we will subtract these two numbers. So let's subtract. First, write these numbers in column as shown here. Now, let's start subtracting them from ones place. But 0 is weaker than 6. So, it borrows from 8. So, 8 becomes 7. And we keep on borrowing. And finally, 0 at ones place becomes 10. So, 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Then, 9 minus 4 equals to 5. Next, 7 minus 7 equals to 0. Then, here 7 is weaker than 9. So, 7 borrows from 5. So, 5 becomes 4 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 equals to 8. And then we have 4. So, our answer is 48054. In the end, we need to write the answer statement also. There were 48,054 packets of biscuits left in the supermarket. Next word problem is, Charlie wants to distribute cookies in an old age home on occasion of his birthday. He buys 3478 cookies from store A, 5690 cookies from store B and 3214 cookies from store C. How many cookies does Charlie buy? So in this word problem, we are given that Charlie has bought some cookies from store A, then some cookies from store B and then some cookies from store C. So we have to find total number of cookies bought by Charlie. So it means it's a case of addition. So let's first write statements. Cookies bought from store A equals to 3478. Cookies bought from store B equals to 5690. And cookies bought from store C equals to 3214. So to find total cookies bought by Charlie, we will add these three numbers. So let's add them. To add these three numbers, write them in column as shown here. Then start adding them from ones place. 8 plus 0 plus 4 equals to 12. So carry 1 and write 2 in the answer. Next, 1 carry plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 equals to 18. Again carry 1 and write 8 in the answer. Next, 1 carry plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 equals to 13. So again carry 1 and write 3 in the answer. Then 1 carry plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals to 12. So our answer is 12382. Let's write the answer statement. Charlie bought 12,382 cookies to distribute on his birthday. Let's see the next word problem. James and Sophie donated rupees 97125 to a charitable organization. If Sophie donated rupees 6528, then how much did James donate to this charitable organization? So here we are given that James and Sophie together gave certain amount to a charitable organization. Out of that amount, Sophie gave 6528. So we have to find amount given by James. So it means here we have to do subtraction. So let's first write the statements. Amount donated by James and Sophie equals to rupees 97125. Amount donated by Sophie is given as rupees 6528. So to find amount donated by James, we will subtract these two numbers. So to subtract these two numbers, write them in column and start subtracting them from ones place. But 5 is weaker than 8. So it borrows from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 equals to 7. Then 1 is weaker than 2. So 1 borrows from next one. So this one becomes 0 and here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 equals to 9. Next, again 0 is weaker than 5. So 0 borrows from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Next, 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And then we have 9. So our answer is 90597. We will write the answer statement. James donated rupees 90,597 to the charitable organization. Let's move and see the next word problem. A school with 600 teachers had 12,584 students. Out of them, 11,899 students passed and were promoted to the next class. How many students were not promoted? So, in this question, we are given certain number of students in the school. Out of these students, some students passed and they were promoted. But we have to find number of students which were not promoted. So, it means we have to subtract here. But students, do note that we are also given with information about number of teachers. But to solve this question, we are not required to use this information. It is given just to confuse us. So let's start and first write the statements. Total students in the school equals to 12584. Number of students passed and promoted equals to 11899. So, to find number of students not promoted, let's subtract these two numbers. Let's write them in column and start subtracting them from 1's place. But 4 is weaker than 9. So 4 borrows from 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9 equals to 5. Next, 7 is weaker than 9. So 7 borrows from 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 equals to 8. Next, 4 is weaker than 8. So 4 borrows from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 equals to 6. Next, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And then 1 minus 1 is again 0. So answer is 685. Don't forget to write the statement. 685 students were not promoted to the next class. The next word problem is Meena collected 4589 old books from her neighborhood for her school project. Later, her friend Sanjana also decided to help her. Sanjana collected 725 more books than Meena. How many books in total were collected by both of them? So first let's understand this word problem. Meena and her friend Sanjana have collected some old books. But we are given that Sanjana collected 725 more books than Meena. So first we have to find number of books collected by Sanjana and then we can find total books collected by both of them. So let's start by writing the statements. Old books collected by Meena equals to 4589. Then we are given Sanjana collected 725 more books than Meena. So number of books collected by Sanjana would be equal to 4589 plus 725. So let's add these two numbers. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. Carry 1 and write 4 in the answer. Next, 1 carry plus 8 plus 2 equals to 11. Again carry 1 and write 1 in the answer. Then 1 carry plus 5 plus 7 equals to 13. So carry 1 and write 3 in the answer. Then 1 carry plus 4 equals to 5. So we have calculated number of old books collected by Sanjana, which are 5314. So now students, let's find total number of books collected by both Sanjana and Meena. So we will add these two numbers. Four plus 9 equals to 13. Carry 1 and write 3 in the answer. Then 1 carry plus 1 plus 8 equals to 10. Carry 1 and write 0 in the answer. Then 1 carry plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9. And then we have 5 plus 4, which is also 9. So answer is 9903. We will write the answer statement. Meena and Sanjana collected 9903 old books. Next word problem is, during a vaccination drive in a village, out of 14789 people, 4072 were vaccinated on day 1. 5200 people were vaccinated on day 2. So how many people are still to be vaccinated? So here we are given certain number of people, and out of them some were vaccinated on day 1 and some were vaccinated on day 2. So we have to find number of people who have not been vaccinated yet. So first we have to calculate number of people vaccinated on both the days, and then we can find number of people left to be vaccinated. So let's write the statements. Number of people vaccinated on day 1 equals to 4072. Number of people vaccinated on day 2 equals to 5200. So number of people vaccinated on both days would be sum of these two numbers. So let's add these two numbers. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 7 plus 0 equals to 7. 0 plus 2 equals to 2. And 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So we have calculated total number of people who have been vaccinated on both the days. Now we are given with number of total people in the village, which are 14789. So to find number of people left to be vaccinated, we will subtract these two numbers. So let's subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Next, 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Then 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Now 4 is weaker than 9. So 4 borrows from 1. So 1 becomes 0 and 4 becomes 14. And 14 minus 9 equals to 5. So our answer is 5517. We will write the answer statement. There are 5,517 people left to be vaccinated. So students, this is the end of our video and I'm sure you have learned how to understand and solve word problems related to addition and subtraction. Do watch my other videos too and share my channel and my videos further. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.